has a lot of beautiful fiber from the leaves and a lot of crunch from cumin and coriander seeds. Saag is ready. It's nicely mashed, and today I'm going to temper only half of it. The rest of it can stay in the fridge easily for 4 to 5 days and retemper whenever required. Other than this, we will need a ladle full of ghee, and I'm using an iron kadhai. It's nicely hot now, and I'll put some ghee in it. You can also temper it in mustard oil. I am using ghee because I like the flavor and the taste which comes with ghee. Few cumin seeds and coriander seeds are a must. Finely chopped ginger, garlic and green chili, roughly in equal proportions. So after the cumin seeds and coriander seeds start crackling, I will put chopped ginger, garlic and green chili. Let them fry a bit, and I think this saag is no less than a superfood with all the beautiful greens in it and so much of ginger and garlic. It is certainly a superfood, an immunity booster. Beautiful aroma of ginger, garlic and green chili frying in desi ghee, and while it just starts turning slightly brown, I'm adding the onions, chopped onions. Onion is also getting slightly brown. Now is the time to add spices. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Red chili is optional. We've already added lots of green chilies while boiling the saag and also while tempering it, so put chili as per your taste. Look at this beautiful tadka here, and to this I will add 2 teaspoons of makki ka atta. When this gets roasted, gives a beautiful flavor and texture to the saag. Now is the time that I'll add the saag into it. So here goes the saag. Quickly add it. Adding half a cup of water so that I can get the right consistency of my saag. Now I'll just cook it, bruno it rather, for the next 5-7 minutes. I will also add salt to taste. We did not add any salt while boiling the saag, so Salt is necessary. It's not like a paste. It has a lot of beautiful fiber from the leaves and a lot of crunch from cumin and coriander seeds, flavor from onion and garlic and green chilies, ginger, and basic ghee.